Most people trying to break into AI are making one catastrophic mistake, and it's costing them months of wasted effort. They are trying to learn everything at once: AI engineering, machine learning, math, coding, data science, and then burning out before they ever land a job. Here's the thing, these are two different careers. And today I'm going to show you exactly which one fits your life, so you can stop spinning your wheels and start moving. What's actually happening in the market? Let's start with reality. The AI job market right now is exploding, but not evenly. Companies everywhere are hungry for people who can build with AI, not necessarily people who can train AI. That distinction is the whole ballgame. An AI engineer is essentially a software engineer who has gained a new superpower. Their job is to take existing models, large language models, image recognition systems, whatever fits the problem, and integrate them into useful products. For example, a chatbot that answers customer questions using your company's actual documentation, or a tool that reads a month of support tickets and surfaces patterns for the product team. You don't need to understand the math underneath the hood. You need to understand the models functionally, what they are good at, where they fail, how to connect them to real data and real users. On the other hand, a machine learning engineer plays a completely different game. They are often building models from scratch. That means deep knowledge of statistics, calculus, training pipelines, validation strategies. The math isn't background knowledge, it is the job. The day-to-day. Let me make this concrete. Imagine two engineers. Let's call them Patricia and James. Patricia is an AI engineer. She has been asked to build an internal tool that lets employees search through thousands of company documents. She doesn't start by training anything. She picks a solid foundation model, connects it to a document store using a technique called RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, basically giving the model access to the right context at the right moment, and gets a working prototype out in days. Then she iterates, better prompts, guardrails, so the system doesn't make things up, latency improvements so it doesn't feel slow. Her feedback loop is fast. She's shipping and adjusting constantly. James is a machine learning engineer. He has been asked to build a fraud detection system. His first stop isn't a model, it's the data. He spends time cleaning, splitting, and engineering features. Things like, how many transactions happened from this card in the last hour? Does the shipping address match the billing country? He trains a baseline model, checks precision and recall, adjusts for the fact that fraud is rare, so the model doesn't just learn to say not fraud for everything. He's constantly tuning. His feedback loop is measured in training runs, not deploys. Same industry, but completely different jobs. Both roles require you to code, daily, seriously, professionally. That's non-negotiable. But beyond that, they diverge. AI engineering, you need to understand the landscape of available models, which ones are strong at reasoning versus speed versus cost. You need to know how to retrieve and structure context, chunking documents, working with vector databases, building retrieval pipelines. You need to think about evaluation. How do you actually measure whether your AI feature is working? And increasingly, you will need to understand agents, systems that can take multiple steps, use external tools, and make decisions along the way. For machine learning engineering, the math foundation goes much deeper. Calculus, linear algebra, statistics, not as background, but as tools you actively use. You will need to understand classic algorithms and modern deep learning, know when to use each, and be able to debug a model that isn't learning correctly. There's also a real element of craft here. Machine learning can feel like an art. You can do everything right and still get a bad result. And intuition built through experience is often what gets you unstuck. That said, both roles require serious software engineering, version control, testing, monitoring, production thinking. This isn't research. You're building systems real people depend on. Here's something people don't talk about enough. The barrier to entry is very different between these two paths. Machine learning engineering has historically been dominated by people with advanced degrees, PhDs in statistics, computer science, mathematics. That doesn't mean it's impossible without one, but you're walking into a room where a lot of the other candidates have been studying this stuff for 5 to 8 years. That's the reality. AI engineering is different. Software engineering has a long, well-documented history of people breaking in through portfolios, projects, and sheer skill. No CS degrees required. AI engineering inherits that tradition. If you can build something real and talk about it clearly, that matters. Which brings me to a key point about timelines. If you want to break into the field, in the next 6 to 12 months, engineering is probably your fastest path. Not easy, but faster. Machine learning engineering typically requires more foundational work up front, and the job market for it is more selective, even if the salaries are higher. So how do you choose? Forget the salary numbers for a second. Ask yourself 3 things. First, do you like math? Not tolerate it, actually find it interesting. If the idea of understanding why an optimization algorithm works excites you, machine learning might be your home. If it feels like a wall between you and the thing you actually want to build, AI engineering probably fits better. Second, how do you like to solve problems? AI engineers tend to be product-based. You're starting from what a user needs and working backwards. Machine learning tend to be more performance-focused, squeezing better results out of models, often on problems where the right answer isn't obvious yet. Third, what do you want to be building day-to-day? Shipping features to users? AI engineering. Training and validating models? Machine learning engineering. There's no wrong answer. Both fields are growing, both pay well, and both put you at the center of the most interesting technical problem of this decade. If you want to become an AI engineer, tutorials aren't enough. You need real projects. Because interviews don't care about what you learn. They care about what you've built. That's why I'm building a project-based AI engineering course with LLMs, RAG, agents, real-world use cases, end-to-end systems. I have opened a waitlist with early discount in the description. Don't just learn AI, build it. And one last thing, and I mean this, stop trying to learn everything at once. The people who learn roles fastest are the ones who pick a lane, go deep, and build proof that they can do the work. Pick the path that matches how your brain works, then go build something real. 70% of people watching my content aren't subscribed. So if you enjoyed this and want more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe and like this video. And I will see you in the next one.